Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute little squirrel.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. You're very cheerful.
Yeah. What we draw today?
What are we going to draw?
Yeah.
We're going to draw a squirrel.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
You like squirrels,
Yeah.
especially the ones we see in the park.
Artie loves.
You do.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
You ready? Okay. Let's draw this squirrel.
I always get so happy before Artie starts.
It's so thrilling.
Let's start by drawing two eyes. We'll draw an oval shape right in the middle of the page. That's it, Artie. Then let's draw another smaller oval inside and shade that one in completely black. Now let's draw another oval on the right side, but do this one at a slight angle. It'll make him look funnier. That's it, Artie. And then remember the smaller oval inside and shade it black. That's looking really good. Should we draw his cute little nose? Let's draw a little triangle shape just beneath the eyes and the top section, Artie. That's it. And then draw a straight line down from the bottom of the nose and a little hook on the right and a little hook on the left. And now he has a little mouth. Squirrels are famous for their big teeth. Let's give our squirrel two giant teeth. An angled line on the left, an angled line on the right, a straight line in the middle, and connect all three together at the bottom. That's great, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw the rest of our squirrel's mouth. A curve on the left and a curve on the right. That's it, Artie. And then connect the two together, going all the way underneath the teeth. That's it.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Now let's give our squirrel some nice big cheeks. Squirrels carry their food around inside their cheeks until they're ready to eat it. Squirrels don't have pockets like you and me, Artie, so they use their cheeks as if pockets. Now let's draw our squirrel's ears. We'll do two big oval shapes at the top of his head. You happy with the first ear, Artie? Now a second ear. Let's draw a C shape inside the ear. And then on the right side, we'll do a sort of back to front C shape. Let's give him some tufts of hair on the top of his head. Just draw some upside down V shapes.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Let's give him a little paw. Draw a sort of fluffy cloud shape, and it's going to look like a cute paw. Draw his arm going all the way up to his cheek. Now let's try and draw exactly the same, but on the left side. A little fluffy cloud paw. And an arm going up to his cheek. He already looks very cute, Artie.
Dance break.
Dance break? You want a dance break? Okay, go along then. Go on.
I used to be quite the dancer, you know.
Come on, little artists, let's all dance.
Darling, I mean, obviously, it's a 10.
That was a great dance break, Artie. Very energetic. Okay, are you ready to carry on and finish drawing our squirrel?
Okay.
Okay, come on then. Let's draw 2 curved lines that are going to be his tummy. One on the left and one on the right. Draw a curved line across the bottom, and then let's add some toes on the right side. 1, 2, 3 toes. Draw his leg down, go out, and then back down. Now, as best as possible, match the left side with the right. Draw his leg, go up and out, back in again, and then back up again. Squirrels have big tails. I think it's time to draw his tail.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
You're right, Betty. It is marvellous. Look at him go. Artie, you're drawing a lovely bushy tail. His tail looks great, Artie. It looks so fluffy and bushy. It's looking finished to me, Artie. What do you think? Is it done? You're finished? Yay! Great job, Artie. I can't wait to see how you colour him in. He's going to look so good.
It's coloring time.
What a great job, Artie. Oh, he came out so good. I love how you used different shades of brown, and I really like that you gave him a cute little pink nose, just like yours, Artie.
Goodbye, Artie.
Hey kids, have a great day.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.